Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn Environmental Studies Part 2. Our chapter name is Chapter 3, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of Bhonsles. The period of unrest, it means the period there was no rest at all. As the saints preached devotion to God, the brave Maratha Sardar started a tradition of bravery. Children, in the last lecture we already learned about the devotions, how the saints were teached us devotions to God. This Maratha Sardar used in the traditions of behavior, bravery. This was a period of great unrest. The two Sultan, the Adil Shah of Bijapur and the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, were constantly at war with each other. They made use of armies of Maratha Sardars in the wars. As these two great Sardars means who? The Sultan of Adil Shah of Bijapur and the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, they were always sworn enemies of each other. They used to fight with one another. While fighting, they used the Maratha Sardar in the battle. Now we'll go to the next topic. The brave Maratha Sardars. Now see children, the brave Maratha Sardars, about the brave Maratha Sardars. The Marathas were born brave and tough. They were also fearless and loyal to their master. They were very proud of their achievement on the battlefield. The brave Maratha soldiers, with a spear in hand and a sword at the side, would ride in his Sardar's cavalry. All the Marathas had their own private armies. If suppose Sardars win battle, then Sultan gave his kingdom and Jagir. The Sardar who received such a Jagir considered himself as a Raja. Children, in this paragraph, what they said, the Maratha Sardars are very brave and they are fearless means they don't have any fear of anybody's. They were loyal to the master. Whatever the masters they're saying, the Sultan used to say that they used to listen loyally. They were very proud of their achievement. Whenever there is a battle between the two kings, at the time these all Maratha Sardars fought bravely, and when they win the battle, they feel very achievement of their bravery. The Maratha soldiers with the spear, they will see so many instruments you can see here in this sword, spear. These all instruments the Maratha Sardar used in the battle and tried to win the battle. And when these Sardars are win the battle, at the time the Sultan used to give the Jagir to them, and the he will make him as a Raja or kingdom of that place. Okay, children. Now, next topic is Sultan makes Sardar who win in the battle. Who win the battle, that Sultan will make him Sardar, and he will offer Jagir. Like this person was here. You can able to see they are the great warrior who fought in the battle and win, and Sultan make him as a Sardar. Okay, children. Now these are the person who made the battlefield won and won the Jagir. Okay, now next, the famous Maratha Sardar at the court of Ahmednagar and Bijapur. Some of the famous Maratha Sardar in the court of Adil Shah and Bijapur. Let us see now those who are. Now, Jadavs of Sinkan, and next one is Nimbalkar of Paltan. There's many others also there. We will learn slowly one by one. Jadhav of Simkand and Nimbalkar of Paltan. We will see in this. See now here we can see Jadhav of Simkand means the famous personality Jijamata. And here Nimbalkar of Paltan, he was Nimbalkar from Paltan. They were the famous Maratha Sardar. Now in the next picture you can see more famous Sardars like Ghorpade of Mudol and next Moris of Javali. These two peoples also included in the great Maratha, famous Maratha Sardar. You can see the pictures of Ghorpades of Mudul and Moris of Javali. This also one before we saw the two pictures, and this also belonging to famous Sardars. Now Bhonsles of Verul, these two people also like Yeritan Shahji and Sharifji, they were also belonging to Bhonsle families of Verul, and they were very famous Maratha Sardar at the court of Adil Shah and Bijapur. Now Sindkant Jawahar. Okay, the father who father Lakhoji Jadhav was the father, and daughter who is daughter names here Jijabai was the daughter of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav, and now son who is son of Jijabai Shivaji Maharaj was the son of Jijabai. Now you can see in the pictures this was Lakhoji Rao Jadhav, father of Jijabai, and this picture shows the Jijabai, and in Jijabai's lap who is sitting, that is son of Jijabai Shivaji Maharaj. Okay children, now let us see the next topic, traditions of Vellore. In this topic, tradition of Vellore, all the Sardars were brave, but many of them were sworn enemies of each other. All the Sardars are very brave. They used to fight, always fight with each other. They were cruel enemy of one another. They never thought that they should unite and do something for the people. Means they never unite with each other, like they never cooperate with each other. They never think about the people also. They just only they will fight with each other. Among the famous families, the Bhonsle of Verul showed a great bravery and enterprises. Among those famous Maratha Sardars, only the Bhonsle's family showed a great bravery and helped the people. That is, so many great Sardars are who? Jadhav of Sinkar, Nimbalkar of Paltan, Ghorpades of Mudul, and Moris of Javali, and Bhonsles of Verul. Among all these, only the one person, Bhonsles of Verul, were great help given to the people. Okay children, now we will go to the next topic. Here they given the brave Maratha Sardar. We have learned like Sinkan, Paltan, Javali, Mudol and Verul. These are the brave Maratha Sardar places kingdom. Okay. Now Bhonsle family. In Bhonsle family, children, now you can see here Babaji Raje Bhonsle written here. Babaji Rao Bhonsle's son is Maloji Raje and Vitoji Raje. Maloji Raje having two sons, that is Shahji Raje and Sharifji, and Sahaji Raje's son is J. Shivaji Maharaj, as we all know about the great king. Okay children, now let us go to the next topic. Our next topic is the temple of Guruneshwar. In the temple of Guruneshwar, it was about 400 years ago. The temple of Guruneshwar near the Verul cave was falling to pieces, as this temple was very old temple. Old temple, 400 years ago temple. The temple of Guruneshwar, there was one Verul cave was there. Okay, in that cave the temple become very old, and all the walls of the temple make gone into a small pieces. These walls had developed cracks everywhere. Everywhere in the wall was cracked. The priest also had deserted the temple. No one comes to pray there, but no one thought to repair it, as this temple become because of old 400 years, and no one taking care of this temple. Because of this, the temple walls are cracked, and all the walls pieces, it will make small pieces and fell down. No one is looking after after. No one is going for the pray to God also in that temple, and priest also ran away. He also locked the temple, and no one is repairing, no one thinking about repairing this temple. Okay, this temple is called as a Grineshwar. Now the great devotee of Shiva visited the temple. The person who was very loud about the Shiva, that person visited this Grineshwar temple. He would put flowers and bail to the lingam and express his inner thoughts to the god. He started repairing the temple to its original condition. Children, now the person, the great devotee of Shiva, visited the temple. He used to put flowers and bail to put the lingam and pray to God with the heartfully. He started then afterward. He started repairing the temple and bring its old condition. Now there were lights inside also and outside the temple also. Who was this devotee? Who did all these? He was Maloji Raje Bhonsle. Do you know, children, who is Maloji Raje Bhonsle? Maloji Raje Bhonsle was the father of Sharifji and Shahaji, means Shivaji's grandfather. He looked after the temple, he repaired the temple, he put lights everywhere inside and outside, he arranged priests for the temple and everything he repaired, and he made everyone to come in the temple and pray to God, and the condition of the temple become very nice. He was Shivaji's grandfather. In the picture you can see this person was the now Maloji Raje, who is grandfather of Shivaji Maharaj. Okay children, now we'll go to the next topic. Now the Bhonsle of Verul. The Bhonsle of Verul we can see here. Now Maloji Raje Bhonsle, the Patil of Verul, was a great devotee of Shiva. As we learned in the previous point, like Maloji Raje built the Grineshwar temple. He was lovable to God Shiva, and he made that temple again rebuilt, and he was a Patil of Verul, and he loved the god Shiva. Bhonsle became rich and powerful. He was very wealthy person, having very powerful artillery, and he was very rich among the Verul. Maloji wife was Uma Bhai. Who was Maloji wife? Maloji wife was Uma Bhai, and they had two sons, that is Sharifji and Shahaji. Maloji Raje was killed in a battle at Indapur. Now we learned about Maloji Raje. He was very good person, and Maloji Raje was grandfather of Shivaji, and Umabai was her grandmother. And Maloji father having two sons, who Sharifji and Shahaji. Among these, Shahaji was the father of Shivaji. Okay children, let's go to the now next. In these pictures you can see many things, like at that time Sahaji was only 5 years old when his father Maloji death occurred at Indapur. The Vitoji looked after the children and Jagir. Who was Vitoji now? Vitoji was Maloji brother, means uncle. Vitoji, after the death of the Maloji Raje, Shahaji and Sharifji become alone. Then Vitoji took in charge of these two children, and he took the Jagir, and he made the people made the children to grow. Okay. After long years, Sahaji married to Jijabai. When Shahaji became young, he married to Jijabai. As we all know Jijabai, who is Jijabai? Jijabai, as Jijabai was Shivaji's mother. Jijabai father kept a large army of his own. He commanded great respect and honor at the court of Nizam Shahi, and Jijabai father was Lakhoji Raje. He was very he arranged marriage of his daughter nicely. He respected everyone and with honored at the court of Nizam Shah. See children here, Maloji Raje Bhonsle having two sons, that is Shahaji and Sharifji. And after the death of the Manaji Raje, Shahaji was at the time only 5 years old. Vitoji looked after the children and their Jagir, because they were at the time Shahaji and Sharifji were small children. Mitoji was his uncle. They took in charge of taking care of the children like Shaji and Sharifji. After when Shaji became young, he married to Jijabai, and his father was commanded great respect given and honor at the court of Nizam Shah. Okay. Now the next one is the wedding ceremony. You can see the wedding ceremony of now who? Now Shahaji. He celebrated the wedding of Shahaji Raje and Jijabai with great pomp. Jijabai Shahaji Vivah 16 Ritaniya. See this. They arranged for the wedding ceremony. Jijabai became the fortune of the Bhonsle family. Now she became the queen of the Bhonsle family. Now next children, about Shahaji Raje we want to learn now. Shahaji Raje was become the Jagir of Nizam Shah. As he married to Jijabai, Shahaji Raje became the Jagir of Nizam Shah. Next, Shahaji Raje was a brave and capable man and great respect at the court of Nizam Shah. At the court of Nizam Shah, everyone used to respect the Shahaji Raje, as he was very brave, very capable, very intelligent person. So everyone liked Shahaji Raje. The Mughal emperor decided to conquer the kingdom of Nizam Shahi. In the other part, what the Mughal emperor thought? They thought we will take the kingdom of Nizam Shah from Shahaji's hand. Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje fought bravely to save Nizam Shahi. Malik Ambar is the wazir. He was wazir in Nizam Shahi court. Both were fight nicely and they defeated the enemy. They won't allow Nizam Shahi to go in Mughal's hand. Okay children, now Shahaji Raje praised everywhere as a brave general. Everyone was making victory of Shahaji Maharaj. But Malik Ambar began to feel jealous of him. Why he feel jealous? Because he was thinking, even I fighter like him, but everyone taking his name, but no one take my name. So because of that, he will feel jealousy. As a result, Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shahi and joined the court of Adil Shahi because he was not responding properly. He thought like that. Adil Shah honored him with Sarlaskar. So because of that, what happened? As a result, he joined to Nizam Shahi. He left the Nizam. Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shahi court and joined the court of Adil Shah Bijapur. And Adil Shah honored him with the title of Sarlashkar. That is, he made this Shahaji Raje chief of army. Okay children, now Shahaji Raje, about Shahaji Raje we want to learn more. Later, there were many development in Nizam Shahi. Shahaji Raje made many development in the Nizam Shahi court. After the death of Malik Ambar, Nizam Shahi became declined as once the Malik Ambar was a great wazir. After his death, Nizam Shahi became very weak. No one is there to look after Nizam Shahi. And now Shahaji Raja also joined the Adil Shah Bijapur. So no one is the great personality to look after Nizam Shahi. So Nizam Shahi mother appealed to Shahaji Raje to return to Nizam Shahi and save it. Then what happens? Nizam Shah's mother, she called Shahaji Raje and she said, our Nizam Shahi, no one is great personality we are having. Those who can able to look after the Nizam Shahi court and try to solve the problems of the people. Therefore, Shahaji Raje left Adil Shahi and returned to Nizam Shahi. Okay children, now this is the Shahaji Raje. You can see in these pictures now. Thank you. Our lesson finished. Tomorrow with the same lecture I will explain in the next lecture. Okay children, thank you. We will meet soon with a new lesson.